Unlock smarter discounts in WooCommerce. Set pricing discounts by quantity, user role, cart value. So I've got a simple rule set up that says if the cart value is over $100, then we want to offer our customers a 10% discount on their total cart value. If we go to the cart page here, let's view the cart. We can see that this is our subtotal, and we've actually got this 10% discount here, and we've named it Spring Sale, and this is automatically applied to the customer's basket. In the back end, this is what our rule look like. We can create numerous different types of discounts, and we've given it a name. We've applied it to all products. We can set it to specific products and also exclude products as well. We get to specify who we want this to apply to. Here we get to specify the discount amount, and here this is the promotion name, which we saw in our basket. If we keep scrolling down, we've got conditions. So we're saying we want to apply this discount if the cart value is over $100, and we can set the priority. If we scroll up here as well, we've got the rule written in plain English. So it's just 10% for all users, and it's based on the cart total, and it applies to all products. Here, based on our order history, a sample from our order history, we can see the total discount that we would have given. So based on the last 22 orders, on this store, we would have given over 1,000 in discounts, which is quite handy and useful with this particular plugin, is that here we've got this conflict checked. Once you start creating multiple different rules, sometimes you get an overlap, and then here it will highlight any overlap that you've got on your website. So you can go ahead and tweak it accordingly. And this is all powered by the Wholesale WP plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below, or just head over to wholesalewp.com. Go ahead and install and download the plugin. Once you've done so, let's head over to our dashboard and we'll create another rule. Once we're in our dashboard, assuming you've installed and activated the Wholesale WP plugin, we just need to navigate over to Wholesale WP, and then we can go ahead and click on dynamic rules. One thing to note as well is that you can create various different groups. And once you've created various different groups, you can add customers to different groups and then run various different type of promotion to that group accordingly. I'm going to create a new rule here. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and choose our rule type. This time I want to offer a fixed discount. So instead of percentage, we want to give them, let's say, $25 off when the cart total is over $100, for example. So this is quite a common rule. So this is just for internal purposes. So we just name it. So $25 off. And then we get to choose what product we want it to apply to. For this example, for the sake of simplicity, we'll select all. You can go ahead and select a specific product, category, tag, or even brand. Then we get to choose who we want this to apply to. I'm going to set it to apply to all logged in users. Obviously, select something more appropriate, which makes sense for you. So again, we said we wanted to give $25 off. And here we can add a display name. And here we can see again, we've got 22 orders matching. And this time, instead of the example I gave you in the intro, which was giving away over $1,000 worth of discount, this time we're only giving away $534 worth in discount. There's no conflicts as well with this rule, so that's good. So we just need to click create and activate. All right, so that's created. So now let's go ahead and test this rule on the front end. Now when we refresh this cart page, we can see the price has reduced from $129, I believe, to now $104, which is fine. If we head back over to this rule section here, let's uncheck this option. Let's update our... Now when we refresh this page, the price is from $129. We're getting this $25 off our cart. All right, so if we head over to the product page, we'll also see this sales badge here, and it says summer sale. And we can see the price has been discounted from $129, and it's with this label that we give it here. So this label will display either on the product page or the cart page. And again, this varies from theme to theme. Hopefully you get an idea. So again, with this plugin, we can create numerous different rules combination. If there's a particular example or workflow you'd like me to go through, leave it in a comment below and subscribe for more videos like this.